How is autism like? What are the first signs of autism which parents can look out for or they should know?
There are some in which there is clear-cut severe autism, which is very, very obvious, and they have special needs, and there are special schools and a lot of work being done in that area,
Yes.
which becomes quite obvious very early. वो तो behavior में दिख जाता है. When it's on the spectrum, now on the edges of the spectrum, तभी इतना पता नहीं चलता है. तो ये भी तो जरूरी है कि there are these two people who are there to help and to
Take care of
me. Cuddling with a child, touch makes a lot of difference. Research shows.
And what is your take on this whole gentle parenting?
सब कुछ को एकदम smoothen off मत कर दो. Let them go through some rough times. Let them.
Hi, welcome to Beyond the Basics with me, Pranita Pandit. Today, we are talking about a topic which is very close to my heart and is need of the hour, which is mental health. But not only in adults. We all talk about mental health when it comes to adults. But I think it's very important for everyone to know and talk about mental health in toddlers as well as teenagers. So, welcome, Neha. Thank you so much for taking out time for this.
So glad you've taken this topic up, and we're going to be talking about it today. It's such an important topic.
Absolutely. Like, बहुत बार होता है that, parents and अभी भी वो हिच है लोगों के दिमाग में कि अरे 4 साल का बच्चा और तुम mental health discuss कर रहे हो, because we are conditioned and we have our own generational traumas as we understand now. So we put it on a child without understanding, without having any knowledge. And actually, I think कि बहुत ज़रूरी है थोड़ा सा professional guidance and of course instinct as a parent. So, what is your perspective? If you can tell me a little bit about your work so that the audience knows.
Just said, I remember this so well. My mother, she came and told me because both her children used to come to me, and the difficulty that they were facing, we figured it out. It was because of the way the mother had certain demands on them as they grew up, because of which so much of anxiety, so much of fear that the mother had put into the children, her own fears were transferred. ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो जाएगा, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. And because of which these two were suffering with high levels of anxiety when they were older, they were adults, and they came to me. The mother comes and tells me when I was going to meet her, Neha, why are there no classes for parents? अगर होते तो मैं तभी सीख लेती, ना हो तो ये लोग बड़े हो गए, so. But you know what? The parents are also parents for the first time, right? Very often. It's not fair to always expect you have to know this from first. Parents की जो habits होती है, जो हमें नहीं पसंद है, which have not been helpful, we always say कि नहीं, I will not be so angry, मैं इतना people pleasing नहीं करूँगी, या मैं मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसे behave नहीं करूँगी, ऐसे discipline नहीं करूँगी, because it didn't help you, लेकिन because as हम लोग जब भी when we are older and when we sometimes in the worst in such situations ये निकल ही आता है, because we don't know better. That is what we've seen. So what you are exposing to your children, वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रख. माइंडफुलनेस बहुत ज़रूरी है ये सब चीज़ों में. एंड स्पेशली जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं ना, लोग मानते हैं कि इसको क्या समझ आ रहा है, अभी तो इसको कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन इवन उनकी जब भी स्पीच भी नहीं आई होती है, बट उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन तो जा ही रही है. दे नॉट डम्ब अंटिल देन. सो वो 0 to 2-3 जब तक उनका स्पीच प्रॉपर हो जाता है, दैट डजंट मीन उनका ब्रेन नहीं चल रहा है. तो इवन द वे यू आर लुकिंग एट द चाइल्ड, योर टोन, ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत मायने रखती है. They matter a lot to those little newborns also.
So, any tips that you would like to give our audience कि जब बच्चा especially 0 to 2 जब तक speech clear नहीं है, things that they should not be doing?
I'll tell you. Let me tell you both. So what is very useful and important is a lot of cuddling with a child. Touch makes a lot of difference. Research shows, you won't believe this, but even if the child was getting a harsh touch, getting a touch was harsh. What I mean is marna, aise kind of touch, which is obviously nobody wants that. But a harsh touch was better than no touch. Was better because at least the child felt कि कोई तो है, कुछ तो मेरी परवाह हो रही है. So touch is very important. Of course, we don't want harsh touch, not at all. 0 to 2 की बात कर रहे हैं. The tones that around the child also, because a child learns to get startled. वो anxiety बहुत जल्दी हो सकती है. चिल्ला चिल्ली चल रही है पूरे time child के आजू बाजू. Thinking इसको क्या समझ आ रहा है, उसको आवाज तो सुनाई दे रहा है.
Subconscious is activated.
See, this is what I tell people, कि when a child is born, they born almost a clean slate. They come with genetic information, वो तो सबका होना ही है, जरूरी है. and a little bit of what is there in the subconscious, what they have experienced womb mein hote hai tabhi. All of these things, are what the child comes with. After that, the moment the child is born, child's cried and all of that, it starts gathering information over a period of time. Initially, though, obviously, it's very, very limited. But wo bacha is gathering information from around them, from the voices they hear, which are familiar. The mother, the father, caregivers' voices.
So basically, sound and touch is
Both
are
yes.
very important.
These are the sensory inputs that the person is getting. What they are seeing, what they are hearing. These are the senses that are developing. Touch, So these become. It's not only the food that they eat that is, the taste is not the only sensory information that they are receiving. They need. It's everything else around, which will start making them feel stable and secure. Security is the first need for any of us, and for the baby, of course, so that becomes really important. That is what was really small one, 0 to 2 years.
0 to 2 की बात करें, because I feel कि at that point of time also it's very important for parents to be mindful. Like you said, बहुत लोग सोचते हैं कि क्या फर्क पड़ता है, चिल्ला दिया या वो जोर से बोल रहा है, but that is not good.
Yes.
Another
thing, a mother might be going through postpartum depression.
Yeah.
होता है. Okay, it's a very real fact over there.
Yes.
After the child is born. The reason I'm bringing this up is कभी कभी वो गुस्सा और frustration मदर का, वो बच्चा छोटा है उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है लेकिन निकल आ सकता है, and it's not the mother's fault also. That time the family needs to come around to help, and sometimes we are living in small families, or the expectation is कि अभी बच्चा आ गया, अभी mother, she better get okay herself. लेकिन ये it's not, it's an important, that lady is also going through something that time.
Yes.
To be taken care of at that time, it becomes.
Yeah, I remember that incident. When it comes to me, post and Aisha, I was so fed up of feeding, and every time I used to call up my pediatrician, he used to say, have patience, and I used to be like, I will just, smash your face if you say कि एक और बार की patience रखो and feeding will not be. I used to lock myself in the bathroom, and I remember my mother-in-law and husband are knocking. I said, I'm not coming out only. मैंने कहा जो करना है करो, I'm not coming out.
It's tough. So exactly that. कि the mother's mental health at that time, give her some space and time, give her the chance to be able to recover from that, and that will work wonders. Because very often I've come across 5 years after the child is born, someone's coming to me and and we can make out his depression, and we realize it started when the child was born. 5-6 साल से वो depression set हो गया, अभी postpartum नहीं रहा, अभी depression ही रह गया है. I can see you feeling like, oh yeah.
Yeah, because now, actually when you're saying it, ना मेरे को realize हो रहा है कि इतने सारे लोग हैं जो इसको हमेशा under the carpet पुश करते रहते हैं, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना, द चाइल्ड इज देयर, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द एंटायर फैमिली. You suddenly become the second person in the family, and at the same time you are also loving the child more than you, so you are just catering to someone and not taking, आप मतलब खुद खा नहीं रहे हो, बड़ा बच्चे को खिलाते जा रहे हो, ध्यान रख रहे हो उसका.
Another thing,
need is yeah, that.
So mother's mental health, even fathers to some extent, of course, but mother has gone through the physical changes also.
Yeah.
इसको संभाल लेना वो टाइम पे.
But is it true कि लोग कहते हैं कि जैसे ना, मतलब मैं भी कभी इस बात पे बिलीव करती हूँ कि like till the age of 4-5 तो फादर का कुछ खास रोल नहीं है. But
not why? In fact, recently someone who was grown up in front of me is now become a father, and we were neighbors. So the mother, she was messaging me saying, it's like hard to believe, but he's being a hands-on father. Like, I was so happy to know that they've had a baby. That little boy is now old enough and has had a baby now recently. But the fathers are hands-on nowadays. Why can't they help the mother in changing diapers or doing something which they
or
can?
Or just being loving and nice to the mother. Yeah,
yes.
I think that is most important.
The father's voice is also important for the child, to hear the father's touch, the father's visuals, ये भी तो जरूरी कि there are these two people who are there to help and to, take care of me.
So, what is the age? Like, let's move thoda sa, into actual challenges that people are facing. So, lot of autism, ADHD, anxiety, depression in younger children are being noticed. मेरे surrounding में अगर there are 20 mothers I'm with, I can clearly point out कि there is a lot of aggression.
Some of them are neurodevelopmental. ADHD is something that we are almost born with, or something that can become a part of your system at an early time.
Okay.
Yes. So early means that it could be because of maybe some medication that was given. Sometimes little babies have febrile convulsions. Sometimes they might get. They might get because of high fever and something, some medication, something or the other that has happened,
Yeah.
because of which, and very often we've seen, this is not always the fact, they come to us when they're 7, 8, 10. When we go into history, we realize कि हाँ, febrile conversions थे. So kuch hoga connection. Still, we don't know one single reason why ADHD happens. Now, what is ADHD? When the attention span is I won't even call it less, because there's a difficulty in maintaining attention span. Sometimes it's too much. Sometimes people, it's a misconception. ADHD मतलब attention span कम होता है. कभी over focus हो जाते हैं. People with ADHD. Then there is impulsivity and there is hyperactivity. Not all are at the same level, and sometimes there's no hyperactivity. Now, this is just a different kind of neurological development at the child. The child is differently abled.
Or
I will
wired.
say wired, yeah, that's a better word. They call neurodivergent. I
Yeah.
always say, why divergent? Yeah, just, different bolo, neurologically different. I would say
Neurologically
divergent sounds a little like diverge ho gaye from what is called neurotypical.
Yeah, unnecessarily वो normal and
Yeah,
abnormal
normal and not normal वाले में आ जाता है.
quote आने
I'll
लग
be
जाता है.
very honest, I have ADHD myself.
Okay.
ADD. I always talk about it openly,
Yeah.
and but I've come such a long way. So then it's not like that I've been practicing since 29 years now.
Alia Bhatt, I think recently in a podcast only said
Yeah.
that she has been properly clinically diagnosed with ADHD.
A lot of adults now are realizing. I realized while I was studying कि ये तो लग रहा है मेरा ही है. Luckily I was studying it. Nowadays it's easier because awareness is there. Children को diagnose या at least pull it up कि ये लग रहा है ये बच्चे में ये. It looks like the child has ADHD and they need to be helped differently. It's not like they're not intelligent. I think I'm intelligent.
You're extreme. Yeah, the fact that you're here and all your accomplishments.
No, I
really,
mean that's just a lot of hard work and a lot
talk
of
about
help
it.
from in luck also. I'll say a lot of.
In fact, I was about to come to that because there is somebody like extended family. The child is recently diagnosed with ADHD and was actually not doing well in school at all. And once put on medication, has started outperforming like everyone and is excelling in everything. So, what is this? Is there a stigma like you feel that like there is which is attached to be it ADHD and medication with ADHD?
Yes,
Should
so
you?
medication people are very, very, very off. But when sometimes it's so bad that the parents say, "Bhale chalo bhi de do," they're getting there sometimes. Medication helps. I didn't end up taking medication ever. And it's worked well for me without. Maybe it would have been better with medication. I don't know. But it's worked for me. But for a lot of people, the medication becomes very helpful in उसको focus करने में, in just being more attentive when it's required. क्या हो जाता है कभी-कभी इंटेलिजेंस तो बहुत है लेकिन वो अटेंशन ही नहीं होता है एक चीज पे लंबे टाइम के लिए, तो फिर वो आधा काम रह जाता है. मोटिवेशन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है where ADHD is concerned. So there is a lot of different areas जहाँ पे उसका इम्पैक्ट होने लगता है. तो
कोई और थेरेपी है ऑल्टरनेटिव? बिकॉज लोगों के दिमाग में है, बट वैसे आई वांट टू क्लैरिफाई एंड से कि भाई अगर ADHD है तो मेडिकेशन लेने में कोई स्टिग्मा या कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. इट्स लाइक आई हैव एस्थमा, आई कीप द इनहेलर.
या डायबिटीज होता है वो लोग ले लेते हैं उसकी मेडिसिन जब भी जरूरी पड़ती है, तो इट्स ओनली इफ रिक्वायर्ड. पहली बात तो ना ये जो है कि मेंटल हेल्थ में फॉर चिल्ड्रन और फॉर अडल्ट्स लोगों को यही लगता है कि मेडिसिन एडिक्टिव हो जाएगी और मेडिसिन के साइड इफेक्ट आ जाएंगे. लेकिन जब भी हमें कोई तकलीफ है वो तो चली, साइड इफेक्ट तो किसी के भी आ सकते हैं,
सबके ही आते हैं.
कोई भी मेडिसिन
एस्प्रिन का भी साइड
इफेक्ट सब चीज का है एक्चुअली. लेकिन पता नहीं इस चीज के लिए ऐसा लगता है एडिक्टिव हो जाएगा. आजकल के डॉक्टर्स ऐसे नहीं है. वो दे ऑल्सो डोंट वांट कि उनके पेशेंट लाइफ भर दवाई ले. उनको भी तो चाहिए कि मेरा सक्सेस दिखना चाहिए ना. या वो पेशेंट को दवाई जब भी नहीं जरूरी है तो उनका बंद कर देते हैं. थेरेपीज ऑफ कोर्स आर देयर फॉर इवन ADHD, behavior modification, cognitive behavior therapy, and I use a lot of arts based therapy along with everything. For example, I'll just give you an example कि let's say someone who's not able to focus, okay, लेकिन when you give them a work of art to do in a certain way, they are able to do it. So उनकी वो जो muscles है ना वो they are getting strengthened, to be able to focus for longer periods of time than they usually can do.
Yeah, and also you do recommend that at a younger age, kids should be like doing some instruments or painting and
absolutely
art classes.
Absolutely. So classes, I'll tell you one issue with classes. So and I came across this girl, she used to love singing. तो उसको singing में आगे जाना था, and she wanted to do more, but what she saw was that all around her people were getting into singing competitions and all that, and she was not, उसे नहीं हो पा रहा था. It made us stop wanting to sing. Okay, now क्या हो जाता है very often, it might be something you love doing. Art, for example, singing is another one, dancing, ये सब में ये होने लगता है कि बच्चों को फिर बताया जाता है कि अभी आप इसमें make it almost like your profession, or you have to go perform. Performance is good if they want to.
Yeah.
Very often it's forced. Classes में जब भी चले गए तो वो पूरा जो discipline आ जाती है, which is okay. Discipline is required for anything if you want to excel in it. But it then becomes a competitive thing. It becomes more of a pressure. जो चीज आप enjoy कर रहे थे for its, for the
love
qualities.
of the art.
Yeah, for the love of that art form.
Yeah.
That becomes a competitive thing or a pressurizing thing. तो थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के करना चाहिए. Parents very often बहुत बच्चों को force करने लगते हैं. And then children lose interest in something that they are very good at very often. क्योंकि वहां जाके भी वो टीचर डांट रही है, ये लाइन एग्जैक्टली ऐसे होनी चाहिए, उनकी जो क्रिएटिव एबिलिटी उसको तो वो एकदम लिमिट कर हो जाती है. आई एम नॉट सेइंग डोंट, जिनको दोज हु वांट टू, बट देयर इज
नहीं, मेरे साथ ये एक्सपीरियंस हुआ था. लाइक आई स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग अनायशा टू फॉर जिमनास्टिक्स ग्रुप क्लास. अब हुआ क्या, मैंने उसको ग्रुप क्लास में डाल दिया जिसमें 4 साल के बच्चे भी थे और 7 साल के भी थे. अब शी केम बैक एंड शी सेड आई डोंट वांट टू गो, एंड शी वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया व्हाट I did wrong. And I was like, why is this girl not wanting to go? So I very nicely asked her one day, I said, what happened exactly? So she said, everyone was doing better than me. I'm not able to cope up.
Exactly.
I was like, but you're not there to cope up. But she was like, if I'm not able to cope up, I feel alone. Like, I feel like I'm not good. I'm not good, mama. I was like, oh God, ये तो कुछ अलग ही direction में चल गया. Rather than
maybe a little later in life it might be a better time for her to do some of these things, because where she's looking at, and that's the way the world is functioning right now. Now everything is becoming competitive, and very often the parents are making that happen कि चलो अंदर से होता है कि सबसे बेस्ट मेरा बच्चा कर ले वहां जाके. Maybe you are luckily not doing that, with your daughter, with Anaisha, but lot of times it becomes about that. You're good at art, now you have to go win that art competition. अभी वो बच्चे को इतना प्रेशर होने लगता है कि something that was enjoyable, a space for them to be able to create and express, becomes just go do well and come, you have to. So it really depends on, of course this is a generalization, I'm talking in general. It can be, I mean, of course we have now jumped to another topic. Yes. Typical ADD. But we were talking about different kinds, autism and ADHD and depression in children and so many different.
And how is autism, like what are the first signs of autism which parents can look out for, or they should know that it can be a possibility? I think it's very important.
It's an important thing, So what happens is, and it's also blurred nowadays, it gets difficult. Also overdiagnosis hone lage hain. I must tell you that. Yeah, absolutely. Thoda kuch dekhte hai, 2-3 things you watch on Instagram, this matches, and then they think, okay, my child has this. Or if they're a little older, the teenagers say, I have autism. They'll come and please test me for it. Oh. They want that, and then nahi nikalta hai kabhi, just because you have certain, behavior. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको वो है like problem या वो condition, whatever you may want to call it, different words for it. But I always talk about any of these things with a lot of respect, because it's not like that person is abnormal. Yeah. They can all achieve. They have done big things in life already. They just didn't know that they had. That is why they were not making so much of eye contact. Okay, before we go any further, I'm talking about autism spectrum.
Yeah,
there are some in which there's clear-cut severe autism, which is very, very obvious. And they have special needs, and there are special schools and a lot of work being done in that area.
Yes,
which becomes quite obvious very early. वो तो behavior में दिख जाता है. When it's on the spectrum, now on the edges of the spectrum, तभी इतना पता नहीं चलता है. Like sometimes someone feels this need. There was one adult boy who had come to me, and we figured it out that it was autism spectrum all this time, and the pressure that was there from the parents, that he went through so much of depression and anxiety as a result. He was high functioning. There is also high functioning, mid, low functioning. A lot of different things happen here. So this particular child, this boy actually, he was an adult, like I said. So isko, all through childhood, why can't you be more, more social? Look at your brother, look at your cousins, parties mein jao, ye kar, because they were from a certain kind of a background. Also that they wanted that, tumhara socialization sahi tarike se hona chahiye. For this person, too much of noise was also too much. He would want to escape in his little world, in his room, where he could play with his games. Uska apna matlab
एक zone
space
होता
tha,
है.
हाँ. तो जब भी वो एंड गेमिंग अच्छा लगता था, यू नो थिंग्स वो अपने आप कर पा रहा था, वो पढ़ाई किया उसने अच्छी तरह की, ही ऑल्सो जॉइन फैमिली बिजनेस। अभी सबको पता है कि हाउ टू हैंडल some of his needs better,
Yes.
you know. So
Yeah, let's talk about the autism spectrum that you had just
yeah, so I'll just
mentioned.
continue from where I left off. So on the spectrum now, what generally most common things that you end up seeing is that when a person is, उनको ना थोड़ी मुश्किल हो जाती है social communication में, they tend to they find
Hitch.
it difficult. हाँ,
Yeah.
मतलब and making eye contact is difficult. अभी generally क्या बताया जाता है families and all कि make friends, go out, you know, socialize, become more. वो उनको बहुत difficult होता है ना. Everybody who's an introvert doesn't have autism spectrum disorder.
Yeah.
Along with that, there's an issue with attention span also sometimes. There's certain levels, there's so many different aspects to it. You know, there might be some attention span issues. There might be this need to, like, they'll get sensory sensory issues are there where बहुत sensitive होते हैं. Certain
that's true.
kinds of too much of loud noise gets very difficult. Making eye contact, too much of eye contact gets difficult. They'd rather look somewhere else and speak. ऐसे हो जाता है. Social isolation ज़्यादा हो जाता है. Now, like I said, not everybody who has. So then there are some other factors that, you know, you go into their childhood. When we're talking about adults, you know, when we realize this, bachpan when they are small, that time though it becomes quite clear in the classroom also कि ये बच्चा नहीं कर पा रहा है certain, you know, or या फिर certain behaviors are there where they might keep repeating something, they might want to do repeated actions in, you know, and they find ease in that. So when you see certain signs, better to get it checked, ना. एक pediatrician के पास जाके पूछने में क्या हर्ज है कि भाई why is, maybe it's nothing, maybe it's a momentary thing, but if it's continuing,
yeah, one should
it's a good idea to go and just check. क्या होता है, very often parents will लेने नहीं, like कितने लोग मेरे पास आते हैं जब भी मैं बोलती हूँ कि अच्छा this is clearly ADHD, and I don't like labeling, मैं label नहीं मारती हूँ किसी के ऊपर भी, never. It is more of कि you know कि this is, ये symptoms है, ये signs है, हम अभी.
Yeah, that's what I've noticed, that most of the psychologists now are like very, very mindful. They will not put everything, all the diagnosis on that piece of paper and stamp it so that, you know, it is becomes a so-called social stigma or something that you are less than somebody else. In fact, I feel they are superior in some ways, because if God gives you one less,
I'm telling you, the kind
more
of abilities that we've seen in people who have, I mean, we've seen it in movies also. Not all of that is not fake, huh?
Yeah.
Very often they are very, very highly abled and, you know, very, very.
What is the career that you feel is most suited with somebody who is on the autism spectrum? They should opt for?
It really depends. We've seen them go into great accounts also at times.
Really?
Yeah, I know someone who's gone and done his master's in history. I mean, you know, so it really depends on the kind of, but then finds it very difficult in social communication. वहाँ पे जाके सब गड़बड़ हो जाती है उनकी, you know, this particular person. So it really depends on many, many different factors. उनकी IQ level and a lot of other aspects like that. I want to come back to you know, something that we were talking about where children are concerned. There's also learning disabilities that children have, you know, and in schools, I mean, that's another very,
learning
very important,
disability is something that,
yes, LD as it's called, you know, dyslexia and dysgraphia, and I mean, there's a whole, all of those. क्या होता है? This movie Tare Zameen Par really helped in getting people. It used to be so easy when I was a school counselor. Parents आते थे, I would call the parents कि भाई look, when we see signs, I used to see signs, you know, teachers के साथ coordination करके we would want to help every child. So when we would see certain signs and make sure कि it looks like one of these things, parents को बताना, you know, for them it becomes like ये कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं आप मेरे बच्चे को, कोई first thing is no, there's nothing wrong. Then very lovingly we would need to explain कि देखो, this child is our child, हमारी स्कूल का बच्चा है, we want to help, so are you all going to cooperate? We want to help our child, you know. Then parents would start crying and saying, "घर पढ़ता नहीं है, ये नहीं करता है, attention नहीं देता है." मतलब then it used to become like so much of, you know,
like that thing that
what is, the parents would be like, then would open up. I would just say, तारे ज़मीन पर देखा है ना आपने, तो उसका milder version आपके बच्चे को है. Now you have to learn how to help your child. See, the whole thing is, where we talk about ADHD, where we talk about learning disabilities, where we talk about autism spectrum, the way the parents deal with the child makes the world of difference, makes all the difference. I'm presently working. It's amazing. This is something which I really want to mention here. There was a time when people used to come to me. I've actually written about this in some article and some chapter in a book and all that. Parents would come and say, "ये बच्चा, इसको आप ये बच्चे को ठीक करके दो. Like what is the problem? लेकिन अब देखो." And then talking to the child, you'd realize कि घर के अंदर तो जो हंगामे होते हैं, झगड़े होते हैं, mother in law के, mother and दादी के, मतलब and parents के, and between people, and the child is in the middle of that.
Yeah. कि please मेरे माँ बाप को ठीक करके
दो. The child is in the middle of that.
Yeah.
वो parents आके बोलते हैं कि भाई इसको आप ये गुस्सा करता है, ये बात नहीं करता है, ये रिबेल करता है, या इसको जो भी उनकी कंप्लेंट्स होती है वो दे स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दैट. या फिर ये हो जाता है कि ऑल दीज, सो व्हेन आई वुड एक्सप्लेन टू द पेरेंट्स कि भाई लिसन, ये आपके बच्चे, आप अपने घर में सिचुएशन चेंज करो. ये घर पे मेरे पास हफ्ते में एक बार आएगा, वो घर पे तो ये इतना छोटा है, द चाइल्ड इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एबल टू बी दैट ओके आई विल बी अलूफ, आई विल नॉट लेट दिस मैटर टू मी. उसको तो एंग्जाइटी होगी, उसको तो गुस्सा आएगा, वो तो रिबेल करेगा, बिकॉज ही इज सीइंग दिस डे इन एंड डे आउट. तो पेरेंट्स वुड से you fix the child, we can't change anything. अभी हम तो बदलने से रहे. Cut to right now. I am actually working with I can think of 3 right away presently, like in the last few days I've done sessions with them. The mothers are coming and saying, I will do sessions also, Neha, and so will my child do, because I also want to be able to do a better job. जो करना पड़े करेंगे. Explain. Sometimes, often enough, ये होता है. Unfortunately, the fathers, not all, but in such certain situations, the fathers don't want to hear कि मेरे बच्चे में ये सब ये लोग का, all these people, उनका ना ये सब उनको पैसे बनाने होते हैं. They say,
yeah, वो तो सबके घर में ये एक tagline है. I think actors are certain way.
Yes.
Politicians are thieves.
Doctors को भी they just want to make money.
And psychologists तो of course they will just take money from.
अच्छा, ये भी हो जाता है, especially for teenagers. कितने पेरेंट्स को बुरा लग जाता है कि आपको कोई बाहर वाले पर्सन को जाके अपने घर की बातें बतानी है. या फिर आपको कोई बाहर वाले कोई है, उनको जाके आपको why can't you talk to us. The child is at a loss, and there are some parents who have stopped the child from coming. Nee, we don't want to spend money now. It's like this. If we are giving time, we are going to take some money for it. Na?
Yes.
As therapists, we are using an expertise.
Yeah.
Chalo, money की भी बात side पे रख दो. School counselors तो are,
in-house.
But very often जो होता है कि
घर की बाहर बात
and talk to us. Parents feel bad कि my child is not talking to me. They're not understanding कि ये बच्चे को आपके साथ ही तकलीफ है, आपको क्या बताएगा, आप सुनने वाले हो. आप वो एक बात बताएगा तो आप 10 दोगे वापस, और आप
जस्टिफिकेशन देने लग जाते हो ना. So please parents stop justifying.
Mothers will go into
child.
I have done so much for you, I've carried you in my womb.
Yeah,
no, they do that.
They do that. I agree. I'm like literally myself practicing this art of detachment. I'm like, child has just come through me. I don't,
such a lovely thing to
do. Own it, and she's not responsible for my life either. So that's that detached love, basically. Yes. So I would love to practice that with my own daughter.
Because parents need to understand कि if the child is, and then there are those parents nowadays जो बोलते हैं कि when the child comes and says, listen, I need to go and talk to a therapist, they arrange it for the child.
Yeah.
Which is, I get amazed. I said, does she want to come? You're telling me, that Neha, I want to bring my child to you. They say, yeah, she's asked for it. I'm like, good, you're realizing, because at least itni awareness aa gayi ki aajkal ek aur cheez ho rakhi hai ki parents are always worried. They are giving in a lot because unko ye dar ho jata hai ki my child will do something to themselves. And
self-harm.
Self-harm, the suicides that are happening, it's scary. Of course it's scary. But that means we need to make our children more resilient. That is a whole different situation.
Now that you use this word resilient, I think it's an important word hai. How do you build resilience? Kuch actions that we can incorporate, like the people who are watching can get away, like, some free.
Of course,
tips.
Free nahi, I'd love to give it. Free kya hai
how, like, when
I'm happy to share these things as much as I know.
Like something that, like 5 things you can do to make your child more resilient.
See, firstly, it is also going to be how they see. First of all, be role models. Okay, as parents, explain
be
how they.
Models.
Yes, how as a parent, you went through a rough time. Rough time does go away, and it passes.
Yeah.
What has happened is frustration tolerance has become very low. Immediate gratification is the way of life right now. you know. And as a result, children anxiety is very high. Yeah, anxiety has become a huge problem of the young generation. Every person is anxious. They are going for therapy for anxiety. I'm talking about teenagers right now.
Teenagers, हाँ.
बच्चों में भी हो रहा है, लेकिन teenagers में तो obviously by then it is like, you know,
Set in. बच्चों का तो
set
फिर
in.
भी हम
Yeah,
अभी
but-
that's why I said
yeah.
कुछ tips मिले तो हम अपनी
Yes.
लाइफ में अभी
अभी
incorporate कर लें.
इनकॉर्पोरेट करो. एक तो उनको to tell कि hey wait, ये पेशेंस बिल्ड करना it's not easy. Now पेशेंस हम में भी होना चाहिए कि हम बच्चों में we have to be literally we have to exhibit it कि ये ऐसे होता है. Things change. Show the change. कि see, it was like this, it became like this, and we're still okay. Everything is going all right. Also to be able to express, I always say, teach children to not always be in the what if, bring them back to what is. Because whenever we have anxiety,
was
we are in the what
beautiful.
if, you know.
That was a beautiful
Yes,
this
because
thing.
even if it's like even if you're not saying the word what if, in the background it will be there. Whenever we get anxious, अगर tension हो रहा है तो यार आज ठीक से बोल नहीं पाऊंगी तो, you know, what if आज ठीक से बोल नहीं पाऊंगी. That's what it is, right?
Yeah.
You haven't even done it, so how can you know कि नहीं बोल पाओगे ठीक से, right?
Yeah.
I was a little edgy before doing this today because it's been a long time, you know, like, and then I was like, you know what, मैं जाके I'll be me. मैं मेरा
Yeah.
जाके बोल के आऊंगी.
Absolutely.
Right now, if I'm going to worry about it, मैं वहाँ जाके पूरी jittery हो जाऊंगी. It was that
Right.
way. So I had to come back to how am I feeling right now? I'm feeling a little anxious. Okay, let me breathe. Let me bring it back to कि you know what you're supposed to speak. Just go and share your information.
Yes.
That's it. So this is anxiety is so like rampant. It's the biggest pandemic right now. And second is depression. Huh? But COVID तो कुछ नहीं था इसके सामने. It's everybody has literally ऐसी situation हो गई है. Why do we get anxious? We want things to be in our control. We want to know for sure कि ये ऐसे ही होने वाला है, which is not
Certainty, basically.
certainty, but there is nothing that's certain. I wanted to arrive here at 2:00. I couldn't because of all kinds of getting lost and whatnot, and it became almost 2:30, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm just giving that certainty
So
which we want. वो नहीं. So one thing we need to remember, things are constantly changing. This is what we need to instill in our children, and while they change, sit still. Be there. There will be issues that you are already facing. We need to remind them, you know, how they have actually been resilient in their life. Actually, they've already been resilient. When they fell down and they got hurt, and then, you know, it became okay after some time, and they went through it, and they could bear it. ये सारी चीजें तो हम लोग ये बच्चों ने कर रखी है, लेकिन
just they forget.
they don't. Yeah, मतलब कोई इसको importance भी नहीं देता ना, कोई समझाता भी नहीं कि ये होता है. It is actually very simple.
Beautifully you put it,
Yeah.
actually. Ki, like, if I also have to teach my child, firstly, immediate gratification is something which is
It needs
a
to
no,
stop. Yeah,
because
बहुत-
कि अभी मांगा और अभी मिल गया, वो ही
Yeah.
उसका मतलब होता है कि ग्रेटिफिकेशन है, मुझे ये चाहिए और हाथ
अभी
में
मिल
आ
गया.
गया.
हाँ.
थोड़े दिन वेट करा लो, लेट इट टाइम पास. ये नहीं कि मत दो अपने बच्चों को.
नहीं, let them also understand the importance.
Yes.
फिर ये हो रहा है कि आजकल this is a very common issue कि बच्चे जब भी बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, जैसे लेकिन बिफोर दे आर टीनेजर्स, वो वाला पूरा फेज, पेरेंट्स वांट टू लाइक, अच्छा मेरे चाइल्ड को चीज को खुश रखते हैं, उसकी स्माइल देख के खुश हो जाते हैं. दे गिव डिजाइनर आउटक्लोथ्स आल्सो, मतलब ब्रांडेड, ये वो सब कुछ. वो बच्चा जब भी टीनेज बनता है ना, मुझे पैसे दो, मुझे ये चाहिए, तभी पेरेंट्स को गुस्सा आता है. Because now they want to buy themselves, and they want only branded in a certain level of things. And then parents say कि my child spends a lot. लेकिन आप याद करो, आपने ही सिखाया है, तभी आपने stop नहीं किया जब भी जरूरी था. I know I might be sounding like an auntie giving great advice, but the fact is that this is I'll tell you what happens, which is now you'll understand why I'm saying all these things. I work with all age groups.
Yes.
I work with an adult who comes to me with certain issues, okay? And those issues are, let's say, difficulties they are facing because of certain, they've come to me, childhood में certain behavior patterns, certain anger towards them. Very often mothers ने ना अपना सारा गुस्सा बच्चे पे निकाला होता है, because उसके frustrations होते हैं तभी. You know, especially first child है तो all the more. By second child they know कैसे handle होता है, लेकिन first child होता है तभी ये भी हो जाता है कि you know, घर में you are also relatively newly married very often, you know, थोड़े few years के अंदर and lot of समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कैसे बच्चे को handle करें, and दूसरे demands होते हैं, तो गुस्सा बच्चे पे काफी. And then also the need कि my child has to be perfect, I want to show everybody. ऐसी सारी, this is just one example, there are several.
Yes.
अभी ये that person has gone through all that. As an adult, they're coming to me, okay? And I'm seeing the mental health issues they are facing. मैं तभी उनको help कर रही हूँ. दूसरा एक कोई आ रहा है मेरे पास, वो बच्चा है, उनकी लाइफ में ये अभी हो रहा है ऐसी
We can
चीजें.
change
I
that.
can see कि ये वहां जाके ये हो सकता है. Now this is the next thing that can happen.
Yeah.
You know, होने के chances है. So that's when you realize कि look, correct this now. ये तभी जाके हो सकता है ऐसा. Another main big issue I want to mention today is because ये adult की जो बात कर रही हूँ इस कारण से याद आ रहा है, जब भी adults who have been bullied in school as teenagers, as children, the kind of trauma, they might have achieved something great in life educationally, लेकिन उनको जो तकलीफ होती है in socializing, in trusting, in having confidence in themselves, it is tremendous. And I work with a lot of young adults जो 20s में है.
So I want to share an incident, and this has happened to somebody quite relatively very, very close actually. Is that his son firstly had a traumatic change of places and everything, and then went to a new school and was getting bullied. He's always been a very, very sensitive and loving, kind child, and has gone through bullying. And the parent didn't realize, because he was like, they hit me. So like, okay, hit back. And is in hostel.
Yeah.
So he was in hostel. He said like, but I can't hit back because there are 4 of them.
So many of them, exactly.
And later on, after 6 months, actually, parents noticed, like they were just visiting school, that one child came, slapped him. The other one came and kicked. And the school is kind of saying that, the other kids have reasons.
Then
No, is there a reason to be violent with somebody? Like you were telling me that you are hitting
and randomly going and hitting ऐसे ही मतलब चलते
and what can be, I'm saying there cannot be a reason for hitting, like and bullying.
Absolutely not.
And I don't know how this even exists, and I'm talking about good big schools which have big names. And
yes.
How does one deal with this, and how do you talk to your child? And
I think compassion is the main thing that needs to be taught to children. Very often, I mean, like I said, I work with a lot of these young adults, even people who have, like there's one person I was discussing with her about that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to talk about this topic, that while she was in a very, very affluent school, okay,
yeah.
she comes from a very cultured background, and very, not someone who would be from very nice, well-to-do family, professional family, but that school had a lot of certain kind of children going like from the film line, and children affluent, and like also the whole issue about being popular was very big in that school.
Okay.
It's a big issue with children. Oh my God.
It was in my school
being
as well.
popular and being with the popular kids and hanging around with them, and that need कि नहीं उनके साथ है तो मैं कुछ हूँ उनका, and then वो भी behave ऐसा करते हैं कि as if maybe their parents are some well-known people. वो लोग कैसे well-known हो गए भाई? Just because so they behave as if they are the celebrities, So this whole celebrity thing that was, and I know that I'm talking to a celebrity, but but it is something as which has created a lot of trouble, So in this situation, this girl, for no apparent reason, the school she was in before this, उसको वहाँ पे तो she was very liked, और उसका एक अच्छा था, it was, everything was great. ये स्कूल में शिफ्ट किया कि चलो better school है and all of that, and she's saying मुझे अभी तक नहीं समझ आ रहा मैंने ऐसा क्या किया, and it still impacts her, and she's already worked, she's a professional right now. ये चीज उसको अभी भी, and we do therapy work for that, the trauma, and she bursts into tears often enough कि that pain is just not going, कि why, what did I do that you all behaved for so many years with me in such a way, ऐसे behave किया है कि मुझे मेरे में वो एक टाइप का एक
डिफेक्ट लगने लगा,
हाँ मेरे में क्या खराबी है, यही लगने लगता है, मैं कितना भी कुछ भी अचीव करूँ, मुझे पता है in my present, she also explained, my present me understands, लेकिन वो मेरे अंदर एक बच्चा है, वो बोलते ही रहता है कि no,
not good enough.
And she used to be great at singing, वो singing बंद कर दिया है वो लड़की ने, and ये तो मैं एक जन का, ऐसे तो कितने मैं बता सकती हूँ that come to me and we are working through it. Another person, she started helping a girl, पूरा क्लास, वो लड़की को थोड़े ना पिंपल्स थे, दूसरी लड़की को, तो ये लड़की उसको, लोग ना उसको ऐसे क्लास में, the boy especially at a certain age, they were like they used to call that girl, they used to just मतलब उसको ना ऐसे ही वो
डिस्ट्रिगार्ड कर दिया,
हाँ, मतलब वो लड़की को कुछ भी बोलते थे, तो ये जब जाके हेल्प करने लगी वो लड़की को, and started sitting with her, इसको contaminated बोलने लगे.
Oh God.
And contaminated became her word for her. Not only that, it continued, वो लड़की तो स्कूल से निकल गई थी, उसके भाई को भी contaminated बोलने लगे थे. I don't know how that got passed on. That is something very strange.
So what are the kind of therapies that you can do for these kids who are victims and also the
I would
kids
say the
who are...
bullies. Yeah, I mean the victims ke liye to then we work through their trauma and we help them. There's so many different ways to do it. There's arts-based therapy, cognitive-based, cognitive behavioral therapy, and there are so many different kinds of therapeutic methods depending on उनकी अभी क्या situation है, anxiety हो रही है, depression हो रहा है, trauma work करना पड़ता है कभी, because देखिए trauma ना लोग समझते हैं कि trauma क्या होता है. Trauma तो earthquake हो गया, tsunami हो गया, pandemic हो गया, ये सब trauma होता है. ऐसे नहीं है. Individual traumas, they're called small traumas or little traumas. Those are called big traumas. ये small little trauma ना अपने लिए बहुत big होते हैं अंदर से. If you have gone through bullying constantly, how is it not traumatic for you कि आपको या फिर घर में कुछ देखा है all the time, वो आपका individual trauma है, या किसी ने आपको कोई misbehave किया है आपके साथ. Sometimes even teachers पूरे क्लास के सामने बच्चों को बोल देते हैं, ए यू ADHD, ए यू LD child now, ऐसे कुछ बोल देते हैं. Teachers have done some horrible things sometimes. And there are amazing teachers also. So I'm talking about the ones who have done, and they should understand कि गलत है. आप अपने frustration या जो भी आपकी समझ नहीं है, आपको तो समझो क्या हो रहा है ये बच्चे को. But they kind of, there's so many things like that जो अंदर से उनको मार देता है. Am I saying that सबको पूरा sensitive ही होना चाहिए all the time? No, that's not what I'm saying. Okay, लेकिन something can impact you अगर, और वो information अगर repeatedly आ रहा है, उसको आप process नहीं कर पाए हैं, तो it becomes a traumatic or a disturbing memory. So now when someone comes to us, sometimes these things very often they come up. We realize कि ये जो अभी हो रहा है वो अभी का नहीं है, वो तो तभी से चालू हुआ है बचपन में. तो एक तो है कि बचपन में वो prevent कर पाए. That's why all this awareness कि parents be careful. आप अपने बच्चे को क्या बोल रहे हो. कभी कभी parents have said things like, I wish you were never born. And when the child brings it up when they are older, तो mother says, तू ये पकड़ के बैठा है तूने, मैंने इतना तो किया तेरे लिए, तुझे वही याद रहा है. And mothers feel very very bad and very guilty also. They feel very sad. I understand. लेकिन can we be a little more careful?
Yeah,
दूसरी
absolutely.
चीज, when the child is talking about मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है, stop complaining. तुम्हारे पूरे टाइम ना ये रोते रहने का बंद करो, या stop crying, या be strong, be bold. That is not always useful. You tell someone who's depressed, okay, किसी को डिप्रेशन हो रखा है, उसको जाके आप बोल के आओ कि come on now, forget about it, come on, snap out of it, be strong. You think उसने ट्राई नहीं किया ये सब? ये ट्राई कर करके थक के नहीं हो पा रहा है. That's why they've gone even further down. ये सब ट्राई करके रख. Initially they try everything, and children go through depression. Coming back to children and teenagers, उनका depression अलग दिखता है.
How can you identify?
So what happens is, of course, if you see a child जो काफी friendly, playful था, some obvious signs, would withdraw होने लगा है. Okay, a child जो पहले studies अच्छी तरह कर पा रहा था अभी नहीं कर पा रहा है, या बहुत distracted रहता है, या snappy बहुत हो गया है, खाने पीने में, used to eat a lot, is not eating or eating too much, sleeping too much or not sleeping properly. ये सारी obvious changes है. फिर confident होता है तो confidence चले गया है. If you start noticing that, if you notice that check, it could be, it could be something like that, कि जहाँ पे the child क्या हुआ, because they're trying very hard to be like, hey, I don't care. They're trying, if they start hanging around with people who are very very notorious, naughty, सब जगह पे होते ही है वैसे बच्चे different types के. अगर वो लोग ऐसे बच्चों के साथ पूरा जैसे एक ट्रैक पे और ट्रैक से निकल गए हैं, ओके, तो यू हैव टू चेक कि क्यों क्या हुआ है. नॉट कि कीप स्कोल्डिंग कि तू डोंट, वेरी ऑफन स्कोल्ड कर करके खींच के उसको वापस ट्रैक पे डालने की कोशिश हो रही है. लेकिन ये एक बार ये चेक तो करना जरूरी है कि क्या हुआ है भाई, बिकॉज वेरी ऑफन they are going.
So how does one react to a bully? Like if there is a bully in school and a parent gets to know that this is the child that is bullying my child, how does the parent react?
I'll tell you, parents do that. Parents do what they can. They've tried. All these people I'm talking about, उनके parents ने जाके स्कूल में बात की, टीचर्स के साथ, वो बच्चों के पेरेंट्स के साथ बात की. क्या हो जाता है वेरी ऑफन, वो 3-4 दिन के लिए वो बच्चे बिहेव करने लगते हैं. स्पेशली एट अ सर्टन टीनेज होते हैं तभी, जब और जो भी छोटे होते हैं ना, 10 years old types, तभी फिर भी वो जब भी बुलिंग हो रहा है एंड जब भी पेरेंट चाइल्ड को बोल रहे हैं कि स्टॉप दिस, आई एम नॉट ओके विद इट, तो दैट चाइल्ड इज मोर लाइकली टू स्टॉप. The bully is more likely to stop doing that because parents have, जब भी when they are little older ना, थोड़े बहुत cocky हो जाते हैं. They also think, oh, I know a lot more about the world and it's okay, and वो जाके उल्टा वो हाँ, you तो go and complain to your mother. You know, now your mother, that becomes a new point for bullying. So children don't like it if they say कि मत बताओ, I'll deal with it. वो डील करने की ऊपर से तो कोशिश करते ही है, लेकिन they become more and more withdrawn, वो अपनी isolated, they just don't feel they belong, and that carries over on other friends. Like abhi, let's say they are working somewhere, they have the same fears कि no, if people will be looking at, people are judging me. Actually they are judging themselves all the time, worrying कि लोग मुझे जज कर रहे हैं, लोग मुझे अलग तरीके से देख रहे हैं. सो माई थिंग इज कि मोर देन, इसको ना जड़ से निकालने की जरूरत है, टू मेक चिल्ड्रन सेंसिटिव कि दिस इज क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स. आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट एज अ स्कूल काउंसलर. व्हेन आई वाज अ स्कूल काउंसलर, मैं क्लास में जाके बताती थी कि आपको पता चल रहा है कि इससे क्या हो रहा है, हाउ इट कैन बी इम्पैक्टिंग समवन. उसको अपने एंड देन इट वुड बी वेरी स्टार्क फॉर देम. बच्चों को लगता था कि यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्यों कर रहे हैं, उनको कोई ऐसा नहीं होता, बस मजे आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, because
वो कुछ बोलते हैं, सब लोग हंसते हैं, मजा आ गया.
So what do we do as parents to kind of make sure that this is not happening?
So what we need to do is see to that our children are not becoming bullies. ओके, एक तो विक्टिम होते हैं तो उनको तो वी ट्राई एंड हेल्प एज मच, कि भी विक्टिमाइज फिर भी हुए हैं तो उसको तो पेरेंट विल हेल्प. वो स्कूल में बात करेंगे, वो टीचर से बात करेंगे, वो बच्चे को सिखाएंगे कि आंसर बैक, डोंट लेट इट इम्पैक्ट यू, रिमेंबर अदर थिंग्स अबाउट योर सेल्फ, जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है उसको याद रखो. ये सब तो करेंगे पेरेंट्स. ओके, दे विल फाइट फॉर इट. समटाइम्स विल चेंज द स्कूल. ये भी होता है जब भी बहुत बुरी हालत होती है. ये या अपने बच्चे को स्ट्रांग बनाते हैं. वेरी ऑफन जो बुलीज होते हैं, दे हैव ऑल्सो बीन बुलीड, नाउ दे आर फाइटिंग बैक. तो ऐसे लगता है कि ये वाला तुम का कम हो, ऐसे भी हो जाता है. मेरा तो ये कहना है कि वी नीड टू ब्रिंग दैट कंपैशन, बिकॉज बहुत बुरी हालत है वहाँ पे. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज, इट्स सम इन्फ्लुएंस, वर्ल्ड का इन्फ्लुएंस है, क्या है, कहाँ से ये हो गया है कि इट सीम्स टू बी वेरी कूल टू डू सम ऑफ दीज थिंग्स.
Yeah, like if you come to think of it, there are these online suicides and stuff like that that's happening.
It's an ugly world out there, and all you can do is keep, I would say, and I used to do this program called Little Buddha, where I would talk about it. It's a crazy world. We can't change that. Teach the child, and through that program also, to be at ease, to be serene within, and then go deal with this world. So teach them how to be and it's not an easy job. It's a continuous process through different activities, through different realizations. How to be patient, how to be, also how to understand that things will constantly be changing, how you can keep yourself sane in this crazy world, because wo to bahar jo chal raha hai. And if more and more children are remembering to be more compassionate, to understand how their behavior can impact someone else, maybe it will become a little better. So this kind of training, according to me, has to happen in schools, because the schools are not seeing
school. Like my daughter is going from morning 7 till 3:30.
Yes, and that's where all the teaching is happening also, na?
Yeah.
घर पे आप कितना भी, you'll say ना कि भाई हमारे घर में तो कोई ऐसा अच्छा ही माहौल होता है. and very often that's the case. Like parents are sometimes called कि आपका बच्चा बहुत गालियाँ दे रहा है, तो हमारे घर में कोई नहीं बोल रहा है, लेकिन कहाँ से सीख रहा है, क्योंकि क्लास में कोई और बोल रहा है, वहाँ से सीखेंगे भी. चलो, गालियाँ इज अ कॉमन थिंग होता है, दे गेट ओवर इट. बहुत बड़ा उसमें हंगामा भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट टेल द चाइल्ड ये सही नहीं है, इसका मीनिंग ये होता है.
One question I want to ask. So my husband keeps telling my daughter, like if somebody, she's a very sensitive child. Like, so we've noticed that quite a bit. So he was like, if anyone pushes you, push back and run, basically. So I'm like, you're just teaching her to push back. But I think, don't you think it's important in today's day and age to make your child even strong in that aspect, to say that you have to give it back?
You have to learn. So I was teaching my grand niece, she's the light of my life, and पता चला कि उसके बिल्डिंग में कोई लड़की उसको बहुत धक्का मार रही है. तो and mother, like that's my niece, is saying, Niyamasi, I don't want to teach her to धक्का मार के, all the father is saying दे धक्का, saying कैसे करे. तो I said, you learn to do is say stop, don't, and I taught her and I made her do it so many times, and she went and did it. Stop, no.
Yeah.
First say no, do that. If it's getting too much, then you say, okay, I'm going to push you back. Push. I mean, if required, that is, last thing. पहले तो teach them to say no when required. एक तो ये तो yes, the yes man बहुत हो गया everything में. People pleasing has become a big thing. I want to be popular. I want to be liked. Now I'm again talking about teenagers here, but very little children.
No, even abhi se like 5-year-old also wants to be liked. Now,
yes, everybody wants to be liked.
Like the problem is that now I feel pehle teens mein hota tha. Now it's 7+ is technically the...
Oh my God, yeah. The preteens, the tweens,
Yeah, like a lot of times parents run to kind of stop crying, what
Or
happened?
don't be angry.
Or don't be angry.
Hmm.
If she's feeling angry,
Hmm.
like I
Hmm.
think art-based therapy is also about that
Hmm.
you let them express.
Yeah.
And
So,
like I remember catharsis is something like it's also
so one of the things, since you brought catharsis, we do not encourage too much of catharsis. You know what is happening that time?
what?
You're repeatedly reliving it and bringing it up again and again. If too much all the time, catharsis is
Yes.
only happening. You
yeah,
know,
no, that is I think only in cases which is
but
very, very deep-rooted.
Yes. So, but when someone is expressed, now figure out how can we change it from this? How can
Yeah.
we look at it differently? What is our learning from it?
Yes.
You know, and understanding that, hey, yes, the anger came. The anger is also gone.
Yeah.
What caused it? What are you getting attached to? Why are you getting so stuck? Ki aise hi hona chahiye? It'll also help a person become so much more flexible and so much more, is so much more free actually when you realize that, hey, it can be this way and that way also. All are okay. All are.
So switching is also, I think, one of
It's
the
also important to understand
to
that
be able to
you have
switch
be
your
able to,
emotions.
yes, to look at it that, okay, this has come up right now. Let me express it. Let me breathe through it. It's also gone. ये जा भी रहा है. ये यहीं पे नहीं है. मतलब, we make it get stuck there. We keep bringing it back. She did this to me. Come back. She did this to me. But she did it. अभी तो नहीं हो रहा है. Now how are you? Why that is coming back? You're getting upset again because you're bringing it back. It happened. What can you do now what have you learned from this? What can you do to change it? What can you do to, sometimes you want to retaliate. What can you do to go and now tell that person, hey, that was not okay. Teach the child to assert
also
themselves and speak, So,
your brain needs some answers. The moment
Yes.
it's answered,
Yes.
or even telling your brain that it is no answer is a good enough
sometimes,
answer.
yeah, that you can let this go now. ये चलेगा ये ऐसे, इसमें इसको पकड़ के रखने की जरूरत नहीं है.
एक last question that जो मैं seriously पूछना चाहती हूँ is about this teenage में there is recently something जो मेरे आसपास school में actually हुआ था was suicide. Like ये बच्चे, it's such a
ये बहुत हो
डर
रहा है.
लगने लग गया यार अब कि कुछ चिल्ला दो तो there is this whole fear and threat. What can parents do and how do they identify to kind of make sure that
It's-
बच्चा उस डायरेक्शन में नहीं जा रहा है.
it is such a dicey situation because sometimes पता भी नहीं चलता है क्या चल रहा है उनके माइंड में. Sometimes it's just shocking कि ये बच्चा जो इतना कभी उसने दिखाया ही नहीं कुछ ऐसे, and I've actually worked with someone like that, कि that child was such a happy-go-lucky playful child, friends भी थे, there was so much going on for that child with that young girl, and she called her friend and said, listen, I'm sorry, this has got nothing to do with any of you, and she's saying I'm jumping, and she jumped, and by the time उसकी friend उसके कोई parent को phone कर रही है, parent को, she's trying her best, she's trying to convince this girl, don't. तो करे क्या तभी, I mean, these topics are very sensitive. Even when I speak on some public platform, we are very careful as psychologists. We don't want to trigger anybody to come up and do such things. Having said that, you see, I would want to tell children out there and everybody कि there is always a solution.
Yeah.
There is always, things change. वो बुरे times pass हो जाते हैं, अच्छे times भी pass हो जाते हैं, लेकिन वापस बुरे times pass हो जाते हैं. Life is all about that, and it's about how we manage to just go through it, survive through it. And sometimes we are in survival mode, sometimes we are in existing mode, and sometimes we are in thriving mode. Okay, but we have to keep working towards the thriving mode, and how everything in life में जितने भी lessons हैं वो हमें कुछ सिखा रहा है. But ये सब ना becomes very important at a young age. Parents also teaching children के hey, things ठीक हो जाता है. Okay, teaching them again to be a little more patient, resilient. I know I'm repeating these words again and again.
But no, these are the things that needs to be repeated again and again.
Also,
for us as well.
Compassion for self, because very often the feeling is that I am only not good enough. I'm working with like बच्चे आजकल, if I don't achieve this rank, if I don't do well enough, it is I'm not good enough. ये I am not good enough comes too quickly.
Yeah.
And what will people think about me? People will judge me. I always say, you really think people have time to judge you? You're judging yourself and you're saying, नहीं, मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ. और किसी ने कुछ बोल भी दिया तो वो बोल के एक मिनट के बाद उनको तो फर्क भी नहीं, वो तो चले गया अपनी लाइफ में.
Yeah.
You will have to remember for yourself कि you have to really have affection for yourself and be kind to yourself. ये बहुत जरूरी हो जाता है बच्चों को सिखाना, और उनको ये टीचर्स को सिखाना जरूरी है. Every caregiver needs to explain this to the children. That it's okay, you are great.
Yeah, you're good enough.
Yes.
Basically, that's what they start feeling. Now, there's this one question, like, हमेशा आता रहता है बार बार कि, like, kids these days are just struggling with so many things,
poor
and
things.
poor
बहुत-
things,
बहुत
and
है, yeah.
it's you just don't know you're yourself kind of lost in this whole thing, to tell your child that we are not perfect.
You know what? Show that you're not perfect. Laugh about your imperfections. I openly talk about my ADHD. I don't think I'm imperfect also with that also. So it is a different way of being. Failures are stepping stones. That's what my colleague says every time, and I always कि each failure look at it as अच्छा इसमें से क्या सीखा? अच्छा एक stepping stone है. अभी मुझे इसमें ये changes मेरे में I can bring this, and now hey, this is exciting. I now know this, and I can make it better for myself. We should teach them कि okay, you couldn't do well in this. There's an alternative always. तो कहने का मतलब ये कि it's not absolute, and this is not the last thing that's going to happen in your life.
And what is your take on this whole gentle parenting? ये एक बहुत बड़ा topic है that some people are like
Too
completely
gentle.
too gentle. मेरे बच्चे को कुछ मत कहो,
It's-
उसको डांट नहीं सकते, उसको ये नहीं कर सकते.
It's not helping. It's not helping. Your child is not learning how to live in the real world. Okay. So
Thank
we
you for that
always say
answer.
this also कि let your child go through some failures in school. Everything, don't put lotions and creams over and make it all perfumed and everything, like in the sense कि सबको कुछ इतना, I'm using these metaphors. What I'm trying to say is that कि
Yes.
सब कुछ को एकदम smoothen off मत कर दो. Let them go through some rough times. Let them deal with it, बोलो उनको. Because in school times, of course, watch over them. I'm not telling
Yeah,
you tell
of
them,
course,
put
of
them in a
course.
situation where they really don't know how to handle and they get very, very, they break down. ऐसे नहीं. Lekin allow them to make errors, make mistakes, and show them solutions. Show them, अच्छा mistake हुआ, अभी करना क्या है? चल ये solution है, try करो. Sometimes the solution will take them backwards a few steps, but they'll again be able to come. Give your own examples. तभी भी तो deal किया था. We are okay with failures because we have
That is your
and
biggest
what is
learning.
problem with gentle parenting, and I've actually come across parents who say, don't go down to play, your shoes will get dirty. Don't go and play, तुमको पसीना हो जाएगा. So they're making the child more and more, secluded from what is okay. My grandniece, I was telling you about,
Yeah.
my niece, that child has to go out and fall. She has to get wet in the rain. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. She is becoming such a strong kid, उसको get wet in the rain क्या होएगा? सर्दी हो जाएगी ना, we'll deal with it. वो तो कभी ना कभी लाइफ में गेट वेट इन द रेन होने ही वाला है. मतलब थोड़ा सा एंजॉय कर ले, वो सब नेचर को एंजॉय करो. ये सारी चीजें जो है ना, गेट डर्टी एंड कम, इट्स ओके, नहा लेंगे, लग गया तो पट्टी लगा देंगे, क्या हो गया उसमें. पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अलाउिंग दिस फॉर चिल्ड्रन. इट्स बिकम वेरी वेरी लाइक now it's the time of play dates where where you have to ask permission to go, and then my play date, we used to just ring the bell and go and play at the child. Abhi nahi hone wala hai. Those things have changed. We have to adapt to the times, but within that also allow the child to be able to explore and understand by themselves. So not gentle parenting, not that difficult, not that I'm not talking about the tiger parent, the helicopter. Not balanced parenting is possible.
Yes.
See, this is going to help your child. I know you love that child and it's very, very dear and all. Why should the child not be? But do things which is going to help the child when they are grown up.
My last question, and this one is really important for me. I don't have taken too much of your time.
It's fine. I'm loving this.
Yeah. So the question is like, there is a lot of food related talk that happens even in my house, and I was also dealing with it because I didn't know how to, like, I was just observing it. It's like my entire family is very, very health conscious. They want to eat healthy, they want to give the child healthy food. Now what started happening in the middle was that everything Anasha would look at, she would be like, identify it as junk or healthy. Is that healthy or it's unhealthy?
Oh my God, that's it really depends. See, I always believe that you should allow the child to be able to experience everything as within a certain limit, of course,
limit.
Within a certain healthy limit, if I may call that. So Abhi, if the child is constantly doing that, there might be a time when she'll have to eat a vada pav and manage.
Yeah.
So that shouldn't become a problem. It shouldn't become very, if I may call it that, elitist. I don't know whether that's the right word, yeah.
No, basically,
so I'm just
eating
saying that,
disorders or
and also
something.
that tummies don't have to become American tummies.
Yeah.
I'm just saying American because we know that how when someone comes from one of these countries, they can't handle our. Whereas when we go, we don't have that problem. Spicy se bhi zyada, how our tummies can handle street food. Our tummies can, manage better. So we want our child to have that resilience again. Okay, resilience physically in what? But again, it
Balance.
can't see, there's a problem of obesity. There is a lot of
Like
fast
I
food,
have
junk
parents
food.
who are like doing no gluten, no this thing,
Too early.
vegan.
Are you sure it's helping your child? Because our bodies are, there's certain,
Genetically, we are.
genetically we need those things. So it's something the parents will have to decide. That, are you sure? Just because you think it's,
But they are like these elite parents who
The
go to the
desi
best
food helps,
nutritionists on board for their child who's 1 year old.
Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, everybody has their own way of handling these things. I personally would always say कि जो आपके घर में खाया जाता है ना वो खाओ.
Yeah.
I'm sure it helped you. It'll help the child. There are certain nutrients that your body and your brain needs. It won't get that. Then you'll have to take pills for those things. Anyways, we have to take a lot of supplements.
Yeah, so
and
I
things.
stopped doing that in my house because I was like, I was not doing it, but I live in a joint family.
Yeah,
So
so there are other people
Other
who will
people.
have their
like
opinion
so
on
I
that.
said, stop saying junk. I said, you can eat junk sometimes. You don't have to
But
like.
when we make that same thing at home, तो वो junk नहीं रहता है ना. Like पाव भाजी घर में बनाई आपने.
नहीं वो प्रॉब्लम वो एसोसिएशन से होने लग गया था लाइक शी इज गोइंग फॉर अ पार्टी एंड शी इज सिटिंग एंड शी इज नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग दैट्स बीइंग ऑफर्ड
she'll start
And she's-
she'll stop enjoying things that way.
and then
No,
she's just
not good.
thinking about that. I said, why is my
No.
child thinking about food so much?
It's too early for her to worry.
Yeah, so
Okay,
I'm like,
yeah.
I'm worrying
I mean,
her
it's
about
not like
food.
you're feeding her stuff which is going to make her obese or anything. So that's
No.
okay, na? So
Yeah.
you all are balancing it. Like in this, the child should be able to go and enjoy what everybody else is eating.
Yes.
Because उसको घर में, see, this is important what you're saying. घर में जो सिखाया जाता है ना, वो बहुत important हो जाता है. So the child is thinking, I'm doing something wrong by eating that because everybody is saying it's bad. And all these kids are doing bad things then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it becomes.
And
But
yeah,
she'll
you
get
segregate.
singled out then. Because she'll
Yeah.
say, okay, we all are going to a McDonald's today, but you don't want to eat all that. So they might not even ask
Yeah.
eventually. And it's okay to go and eat at a McDonald's once in a while. Or any of these. I'm just using McDonald's, but whatever. It's okay to do that occasionally. Depriving too much also creates its own sensory and other issues, emotional issues also.
We didn't even talk about the sensory issues that
and the emotional issues and
that
whatnot.
people are talking about. A little bit on that for sure before we.
Yes. So what exactly would you want to know? Tell me.
So
I'll try
there
and
is
keep it
a-
as specific as
Yeah. So point is like there is a lot of there are a lot of kids now who have sensory issues, which we in our childhood were not even aware that there is something like sensory issue that happens. And what is it exactly? Again, how do you identify? Like I know a bit about it because they reject wearing certain types of clothes.
Yeah, they feel very, very uncomfortable. Certain materials don't suit them. And also, please understand, there are a lot of kinds of materials now. When we were younger, there was cotton and there was probably a couple of more things.
Yes.
अभी है ही इतना सारा उनको.
वो याद है.
चलो, वो तो एक चीज हो गई. उनको certain now not all of it is always that, but sometimes when someone is on autism spectrum, especially people with ADHD, it's difficult for them to deal with certain textures. It's just something
Not.
that happens, internally now. It's all, it just becomes, they're very sensitive to certain things. I'm just I'm putting this in the middle of it. People with ADHD can be sensitive to even rejection. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, it's another whole, for them, they feel rejected very quickly because to hear a no, or if someone doesn't even answer them or doesn't pick up or they see blue ticks. Now there are people, this blue tick thing is another whole area where,
I know
where
the blue tick
teenagers
area.
get, but I'm just explaining that rejection sensitivity is anyways a lot nowadays. Okay, now, like I said, this is a different topic. You can probably edit and manage that. But coming back to the sensory issues that we were talking about. See, there is anyway a sensory overload. You see the amount of information, the amount of, the kind of the brain has to work at a certain level right now. Okay. Couple that with certain wiring that you have. Okay. So, साथ दोनों सबको साथ में कर लो तो sometimes, because of being wired in a certain way, people are more sensitive to very loud sounds, too much of light in their face. It just can't help them function. उनको तकलीफ होने लगती है. Okay. And अगर पता चल गया, तो you can help slowly कि वो बच्चे को आप उसको, I'm not saying sensory overload हो रहा है, तो you teach them gradually how to become more and more accepting.
So there are
of
therapies
it.
for that.
There are therapies for that. There
And
are
one
ways
should.
to it. And sometimes you avoid certain things for the rest of your life if it is so difficult. Slowly exposing to them, to those things. एक साथ में अगर, like, let's say certain kinds of textures are difficult, so slow exposure to it.
Okay.
so that they can also enjoy all aspects of life and not get so hassled. And sometimes all of us, even those who don't have sensory, so-called known sensory issues, will also be uncomfortable with certain sounds or certain textures and everything. So you just take it in your stride, I would say. So many more topics, so much else. Maybe we can meet one more time.
Yes,
some other
absolutely.
time.
I think this podcast will require a round 2. And thank you so much, Neha, for
it's been
taking out
great.
such
Just
so
see
much
the way
time.
I went on and on and on about things, and and I probably opened up a lot more questions that still need to be answered. So
Yes.
but it's been great. It's been I liked it. I loved it. I loved the fact that I could easily just speak about whatever I wanted to and give information.
Yes.
These are the things which are so important. That's what I want parents, whoever's listening, to kind of remember and work on that. There are many ways to work on it. It's okay to go and see a therapist.
It's okay to
Please.
medicate.
And it's okay to go and take help for yourself, because sometimes you are at a loss how to handle this, and it's okay. Just go do it. That's what I'd say.
Yes,
Yes.
we need to buck up and be stronger and be more mindful.
Strong and weak, both is okay, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
strong and weak both.
When
is
I'm
okay.
saying weak, what I mean is it's okay to be a little lost sometimes. Don't be so tough on yourself. It's okay to have to ask questions and break down and say, abhi kya kare pata nahi hai, and then solution
And
dhoond lo.
also going to a psychologist or a psychiatrist is okay.
Absolutely.
Because they're not going to discuss your family with other people.
Oh, nothing.
Because they have and they don't discuss it. That's in their agreement. So
I mean, even when I have
relax.
spoken about people, you will never know who I'm talking about. I've
Yeah.
given anecdotes and I've asked them, hey, I'm going to discuss this. That
Yeah.
also very, very upar se. So that what I'm trying to say is that we don't go and talk about you all to anybody.
Yeah,
It
it's
stays
a
with
job.
us. It's very, very confidential. There is no question.
Of.
Even if your own family members coming to me, you will not come to know. I will never let you know, okay, this is, it's like that. So,
Absolutely.
ये
So-
बहुत जरूरी है कि feel free. We are there to help. Take your help when required.
and not judge. So yes, I think
Yes.
thank you so much. I think it was a really insightful and an amazing session we had. And you did guide me a lot too. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.